Hi, middle school teachers. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to send a tutorial on how to change some settings in Power Teacher Pro so that the calculations for MYP final course grades are correct. So here we go. I am using Michelle and my test class to demonstrate the change in settings. So this is Power Teacher Pro. You have your assignment list. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on settings right here on the left-hand side of the screen. So I'm going to click settings and I'm going to go up to display settings. Some of these settings we changed at the end of semester 1. So there may be some settings that you don't need to change, but I just want to go through each one just in case. So display settings. Under traditional grades right here, see that it's checked green here, show traditional grades right here. And then where it says show values to show in traditional grades, you're going to select the value and make sure that grade is the only one that is checked, only grade. So a green check next to grade. So that is good to go. I'm going to go ahead and save. Again, that setting is probably already set for you since we set them back in semester 1. Now we're going to go back to settings and we're going to go to traditional grade calculations. So click there and you're going to have a list of all of your classes. You're going to need to change these settings, this setting for each of your classes. So if you go into, this is my sample course here, and I have my semester 1, semester 2. You'll notice that semester 1 and semester 2 for you have already been changed, but year 1, Y1 has not. So you're going to need to go over to the pencil where it says actions, click on that, and you need to make sure that it says standards weighting. That's the first one. You need to make sure that it says specific weights. And then you also want to make sure this says 100, like it did, and 100%. So that is for this. And then you're going to save. You're going to change those settings in year 1 for each one of your classes. Again, if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know and I can walk you through it through a Teams video chat later this afternoon or sometime this week. The last setting that you need to check and maybe change is go into settings again, go to standards grade calculations. Here, you want to make sure that you expand all because you're going to need to change this again, change it or check it for each course. So you're going to come down here, you're going to make sure that it's auto calculate, that's checked. And then you also here where it says use this metric, you're going to want to make sure that it says specific sum. So you will need to make that setting change, that changes in setting for each one of your classes. So that's why I suggest that you expand all so it's easier just to go down, make sure it's auto calculate is checked, and that use this metric is specific sum. Again, if you have any questions or concerns or you'd like me to walk you through one of the steps or all of the steps with one of your classes, let me know through Teams chat, WhatsApp chat, or an email. I'm more than happy to help. Hope you have a great day.